Okay, well, good morning. And I know some of you had asked about how to get the F1 key or a hotkey assigned to the RGB Measure in ImageJ. So just as a refresher, we talked about how you could take ImageJ, load up some image of your plots in a farm field. You could then draw a box around that plot. You can then go to Analyze in ImageJ, Plugins, Analyze RGB Measure, and you would have this nice little table come up with the red, green, and blue that gives you the mean for that plot, and then you can move that plot around to different areas, and you could go back through and re-hit this, plug in, Analyze RGB Measure, and you get the next plot. And so then you have a list of all the data that you could plop these into Excel. You may have to do a transpose to get it to go across the columns, but you can put these in Excel and then calculate an index or indices for that plot, like NDVI or vary, or I use G minus R, which is just green minus red. So some of you had commented that, I have mine set up to where I could just hit the F1 key and more data comes up. And had asked how I did that, and it's actually quite easy. It took me a little while to look at it and figure it out. It wasn't that easy, but it's pretty easy to do in ImageJ. So we're going to cancel this. So what you do is when you get ImageJ going, you go up here to Plugins, Shortcuts, and you say Add a Shortcut. From here, you scroll down, and we go down to RGB Measure, which is the function we were using for this. There we go, right there, past it. RGB Measure. And then you select a key as a shortcut. This could be the numeric keys. I selected F1 and F2, so they don't show up in this series anymore. But you could select F3 or F4 or whatever you want. Do note there could be some clashing here. Mine didn't clash. But if you select an F key that's assigned to something else, there could be a problem. But this is how you do it. Once you do that, you hit OK, and then if I hit the 0, boom, RGB Measure comes up. And I can quickly move this from plot to plot, hit the 0 again, and I get the next set of data. And then the next set, and the next set. So using this, I can really quickly get all my plots down in a row, and I don't have to go through this laborious task where I hit plugins, analyze, and this each time. And that'll really speed things up for you. So some people had asked me how to do that, and that's how you do that. Okay, well, thank you.